Good morning, students. Now we can move to the topic cutting tool. We can put different shapes on high speed tool bits to cut different shapes on the workpiece. Roughing tool, right, left, recessing tool, parting tool, right, left. Okay. Another one important topic of lathe operation. Variable process working on the lathe operation. Turning, produce straight, conical, curved or grooved workpieces. Facing, to produce a flat surface at the end of the part or for making face groove. Face. Next one, boring, to enlarge the hole or cylindrical gravity made by a previous process or to produce circular internal groove. Boring. Drilling, to produce a hole by fixing a drill in the tailstock. Threading, to produce a external or internal thread. Another one, knurling, to produce a regularly shaped roughness on cylindrical surface. Remaining related to one small revision. Turning is produced straight, conical or curved in the workpiece. Facing, to produce flat surface making the face groove. Another one, boring, enlarge the hole, previous process to produce a circular internal groove. Drilling, to produce a hole by fixing a drill in the tailstock. Threading, to produce a external or internal thread. Knurling, to produce a regularly shaped roughness on cylindrical surface. Okay. Lathe operation. Straight turning, taper turning, profiling, turning and external grooving, facing, face grooving, cutting with a form tool, boring and internal grooving, drilling, cutting off, threading, knurling. Okay. First you have to knurling. The knurling tool is used to press a pattern onto round section. The pattern is normally used as grip for handle. This provides a grip for round part. Screwdriver. Typical of knurling tool. Disc can be rotated to give different patterns. Knurled grip. Sample screwdriver. Example, screwdriver. Knurling. Check knurling tool. Top slide. This is the knurling. Another one, parting off. Parting off is the operation of cutting a workpiece after it has been machined to the desired size and shape. The process involves rotating the workpiece on a jug or faceplate at half the speed to that of turning and feeding by a narrow parting off tool perpendicular to the lathe axis by the rotating the crash slide screw by hand. This is the parting off. Screw cutting on lathe. Screw cutting on lathe. Lathe are used to cut thread in round bar. Screw cutting on lathe used to cut threads in round bar. These threads take up different profile. Example, ISO 60, ISCMEX. These threads can be seen on bench-wise lathe heads. Screw cutting tool. Thread cutting formula. Driver teeth divided by driven teeth is equal to pitch of the work divided by pitch of lead screw. Example, pitch of the work 2, pitch of the lead screw 4. Number of driver teeth 20. 20 divided by question mark equal 2 by 4. Number of driven teeth 40. Okay, thread terminology. The screw in the angle thread angle. Top of the portion is the thickness of thread. Okay, the in between of the bottom and top, in between is the crust. Okay, thread terminology. Screw thread. Helical ridge of uniform section formed on inside. Helical ridge of uniform section formed on inside or outside of cylindrical or cone. It's called screw thread. External thread cut on external surface or cone. Internal thread produced on inside cylindrical or cone. Major diameter. Largest diameter of external or internal thread. Largest diameter of external or internal thread. Minor diameter. Smallest diameter of external or internal thread. Pitch diameter. What is meant by pitch diameter? Diameter of imaginary cylinder that passes through the threaded at point where groove and thread widths are equal to major diameter minus single depth of thread. Tolerance and allowances given to a pitch diameter line. Number of thread per inch. Number of crust or roots per inch of threaded section does not apply the metric thread. Pitch. Distance from point on one thread to corresponding point on next thread, measured parallel to axis. Expressed in millimeter for metric thread. Lead. Distance screw thread advances axially in on revolution. Single stud thread lead to pitch. Next root. Bottom surface joining side of two adjacent thread. External thread on minor diameter, internal thread on major diameter. Crust. Top surface joining two side of thread. External thread on major diameter, internal thread on minor diameter. Okay, another one of the flank. Thread surface that connect crust with root. Thread surface that connect crust with roots. Depth of thread. Distance between crust and root measured perpendicular to axis. Angle of thread. Included angle between side of thread measured in axial plane. Helix angle. Angle that thread make with the plane perpendicular to the thread axis. Okay. Another one of chamfering. Chamfering is the operation of beveling the extreme end of workpiece. This is done to remove the burr to protect the end of workpiece from being damaged and have to better look. The operation may be performed after knurling, rough turning, boring, drilling. Chamfering is an essential operation before thread cutting so that the nut may pass freely on threaded workpiece. Okay. Thank you, student. Another topic we have tapping taper turning.